will be using VirtualBox for the practice example, and in the VirtualBox beforehand you need to enable virtualization in order for it to work. You can check if virtualization enabled at your PC or not. In here you can see in the task manager that my virtualization is enabled, and I can add it to the VirtualBox. If you wouldn't have it enabled, you will need to enable it. I will attach the links to the processors where it is supported for the Intel and AMD. Also, there could be an issue that you will need to configure it in the BIOS, but it mostly is not relevant. Mostly virtualization is enabled on the modern computer, so shouldn't worry about that. So let's start a quick demo about virtualization. To be more precise, I will be using the VirtualBox Manager, which is Hypervisor type 2, which is most common for the hypervisors type 2. Let's start. You need to click new in order to add a new operation system. We can name it any way you want. Let's use Linux test, and you choose here, for example, Linux subtype. You can use Oracle Linux, and you can, if you are BDSM lover, you can use Arch OS, Ubuntu, whatever you like, whatever your preferences in life. So you click in here, you can add here ISO right away, but I'm not going to do that. I want to show you settings. So here it is. It's almost ready. As you can see, I have a bunch of operation system here already. You can use it in here. Then you specify settings. In settings, you can see motherboard, and you specify a RAM in here. For example, you will want to run it a bit faster. You will choose 4000 or whatever you want. You check floppy here, make sure you enable all of those stuff in here. You add how many CPU you want to share. So I usually put 2 in here, and that's works pretty fine. I don't usually do anything here. And in the controller, you need to select this drive. Then you select disk file, and we install in Linux, so I will select Linux ISO, and that's pretty much it you need to do to configure it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more cloud related content.